Tu fais le shopping Bangkok. And Silom Thai Cooking School. Here we go.
Ready go to marketค่ะ go market okay let's go everyone we make a food spicy this one is bird eye chili the red one is more spicier than the green one bird eye chili and this one นะคะ this one we call spur chili green orange and red spur chili it look very colorful like the traffic light you see traffic light ไหมand when we making a curry paste we use the color of this one green curry made from the green color yellow curry made from the orange here but when we making a red curry or massaman today we use dry chili we don't use the fresh one so young is green and older is red this one come from this one is coriander okay right this one is Thai coriander similar smell but more stronger stronger smell smell this one นะคะ okay so beautiful tomato very good mommy okay good นะคะมาโอ้big papaya
Alors Vivi, t'as reçu quoi?
Bigger.
Les salades, les tomates, les concombres.
You can try. Sweet, oily, and yummy taste. Stronger. Don't be nice, Vivian. Strong. Sweetheart. Don't be nice. Helping people. Stronger, master. Now pour the coconut out as snowball. Squeeze hard and put the dry meat back. Squeeze and put the dry meat back. Snowball, squeeze hard, Vivian. Squeeze.
Okay, pass it to me.
Strong. This okay. Yeah, this strong again. Fine. This
Very good. Wow.
Vivi, mommy have weapon. Thank you. Stand up.
Yeah.
Stand.
Oh. Vas-y Vivi. Sur les doigts. Couper en deux, t'arrives à le couper en deux? Non. Comme ça. Vas-y. Ok, maintenant tu tapes. Mais il faut mettre la main autour. Mean business. Okay. Oh, you do it, Vivi.
You do it. Vivi, one hand. This hand you cut. So
Yep.
one hand hold the vegetable.
And wait.
Sorry, I move up. Good. Back.
Okay. First you put the tip like that, and then you go down. You put the tip, and you go down. It is. Okay. Attends, regarde. Voilà. Like this. Okay. Squeeze. Right. Voilà.
Meat and decoration, that is your choice because you can change. Key ingredients cannot change. Seasoning can change but need to have seasoning. Tom yum have two versions.
First version no coconut milk clear soup ต้มยำน้ำใส Second version add coconut milk inside become creamy ต้มยำน้ำข้น Understand
Decoration, vegetable, everything.
Okay.
And the sauces? Yes, please. Put inside.
Is it?
Everything muju everything yeah look at him you see so I'm gonna add some water a little bit more water water a little bit more
Oh, good.
This one.
Everyone serve chili
no
pepper.
off same time
Ooh, sure.
big fire otherwise will not
Put the same fire, easy control. You want some photo party camera? I take photo for you. Photo time. Photo.
so I think that's gonna be a bit spicy for you
Alors Lily, c'est bon? C'est épicé? C'est fort?
Is it? Oh my god.